You deserve to enjoy your porch or patio in every season. A custom sunroom from Patio Enclosures creates a comfortable, protected space so you can relax, entertain, and make the most of your home year-round. Since 1966, homeowners have trusted Patio Enclosures to transform underused patios, decks, and outdoor spaces into bright, comfortable rooms designed for relaxing, entertaining, and spending more time with family. It starts with a complimentary in-home consultation scheduled at a time that works for you. During your visit, we take the time to understand your space, your home, and how you want to use it, so your new sunroom is thoughtfully designed around your needs. From there, you'll explore a range of customizable options, including room styles, roof systems, windows, doors, and finishes. Every detail is tailored to complement your home and how you live in it. Once your design is finalized, you'll receive a clear, all-inclusive project estimate so you know exactly what to expect. What sets Patio Enclosures apart is our complete single-source approach. We design, manufacture, install, and service your sunroom, so everything is handled by one experienced team from start to finish. Key components are built right here in the United States at our manufacturing facility in Cleveland, Ohio, using high-quality materials and precise craftsmanship. Each sunroom is made to meet our exact standards for durability and performance. Before installation, components go through detailed quality checks to confirm they meet the high standards homeowners expect from Patio Enclosures. On installation day, our team works with care and attention to detail, respecting your home while bringing your new space to life. The result is more than just a sunroom. It's a natural extension of your home, designed for comfort, built to last, and backed by a strong warranty for added peace of mind. At Patio Enclosures, we believe you should be able to enjoy your home more without added stress or uncertainty along the way. That's why homeowners across the country trust us to deliver tailored solutions, quality craftsmanship, and a process that feels as good as the end result. Your dream sunroom could be closer than you think.